This is Preeti again. Welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I am going to show you a very healthy and nutritious drink for especially kids. The kids who are running around and want to get little plumpy. It's a shake which will help you to gain weight. So I am going to show you a very simple yet easy recipe, that is banana milkshake. So let me show you how do I prepare banana milkshake for my kids. I have taken Robusta banana. Just to show you, I have kept it here. This is the Robusta banana which is well ripe. So this is here. We'll take a mixer jar and make just roundels of Robusta banana here. This is rich in potassium and calcium. So definitely you should give it to your kids after their this can be also given as a morning breakfast. If you don't have much time to prepare any breakfast, you can definitely give this milkshake. It will fill kids' stomach. So this is a nice one. After they come and play in the evening, you can also prepare this. Let's not take this part of the banana. Sometimes it may be ripe. So let's avoid this part. And to this we add honey. I don't prefer to use sugar for my kids. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of honey into it. 2 bananas and 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's just blend this. This I am making for 2 big mugs of for 2 people. Yes, here we go. Let me show you. See, this is the state. The banana has become very smooth. There is no pieces of banana. To this we add 1 cup of milk. This is whole fat milk which is boiled and cooled. It was kept in the refrigerator for almost 1 hour, so that it's slightly cold for them. I don't give too much cold things these days, but it tastes always good if you're using chilled milk. I have put a pinch of salt, that is optional if you wish only. Now let's again blend it. Here we go. Perfect. So this is not a smoothie, this is a milkshake. The difference between smoothie and milkshake is more of liquidic consistency, whereas smoothie is little more thicker, and mostly the base would be yogurt or ice cream or any other things, any other dairy items. This is purely milkshake I am making. Yes, here we go. This is ready. You can just garnish if you wish. This is optional with dry fruits and little of cardamom powder to it. So this is a milkshake. If you want, you can also blend it with cardamom and serve it chill to your kids. Very nutritious. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.